Hi everyone, my name is Pete Miller and I'm the Technical Consultant here at Wacebo UK. This video aims to give you an overview of the Wacebo MDM platform's main functions for managing your Wacebo panels. In this short video we will cover the main areas of functionality within the Wacebo MDM mobile device management system. To access the MDM system you can navigate to mdm-app.waceboeurope.com/login and then log in with your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be presented with your dashboard. The dashboard outlines an overview of devices, usage, apps, location, and the number of users. We then tap on Devices. You'll be presented with the list of all of the devices within your system, such as your device name, the state, whether it's online or offline, the model number, serial number, firmware version, and what platform it is, which is Android. Under device groups, what you can do is you can create different groups and then group those devices according to that particular device group. So for example, if you have a number of devices within the geography department, you can move those devices that sit within that curriculum into the geography group name. Commands allows you to see a history of all of the commands that have been sent to those devices. You also have the ability to resend a particular command. Alarms allows you to set different frequencies on when thresholds are met within a particular device. So for example, when a device is offline, how much available ROM is left, how much RAM is left, if there are any problems with the touchscreen and so forth. Resources, you have the ability to upload specific apps which you require for your panels by adding new application, downloading that APK and then uploading it into the system like we have here. It's exactly the same process for files. Upload a file, navigate to it, upload it into the system. NFC, some of the panels have the ability for NFC to be able to log in using a card. You can add those particular profiles via the system as well. And also policies, this is where you can configure specific configurations for your panel. So in this example, the demo panel config, if we have a look at the execution policy, we can see that under system settings, we've disabled factory reset. Now we have lots of different categories with regards to configuration, so you will run through this process choosing what particular settings you want to set, and then they can be saved. So in this example, the demo panel config has this particular configuration set. We could also add in what panels we want that particular policy to be pushed to. So we can see that the execution policy for demo panel config has this policy and it's going to be sent to this particular device. And to create a policy, you literally choose the policy name, the policy group description, and then follow the steps to configure your particular policy. The account section of the MDM allows individuals to add users into the account. So these users can be administrator, they can be operator, and they can be configured with specific access to specific functionality within the MDM. To do that, you tap on Role List, you can click Add New Role, then you can choose what this particular user or role has access to configure. And then you click Save, and then you can attach that role with any given user. Moving to the top right hand corner, you can log out, you can reset your password, but you could also have a look at what is your authority, and what that means is how many licenses you have to enroll devices into. So if we look at the top one here, MDM package, activation code is valid for 1 year, and we have 5 available licenses. We've used 1 and we still have 4 left. In addition to that, you can change the language. If there are any notifications, you'll be notified by this notification bell. And then finally here you have all of the different releases which are released with regards to firmware. And then finally, logging out of the system. Log out takes you right back to the login page. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this short video on the Wacebo MDM. See you next time.